उतनी देर में बसानियो एंटर्स एंड बसानियो के साथ उसके दो चंटर पंटर एंट्री मारते हैं। जैसे एंटोनियो के दो चंटर पंटर सैलरीनो एंड सेलेनियो है, बसानियो के दो चंटर पंटर लोरेंजो एंड ग्राशियानो है। सेलेनियो एंटोनियो को बोलता है, हियर कम्स बसानियो योर मोस्ट नोबल किंसमैन, मतलब तेरा चड्डी दोस्त। ओके, तेरा चड्डी दोस्त बसानियो आ चुका है, अब तो तेरे को हमारी जरूरत नहीं है। योर ब्रदर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर इज योर, एंड along with him Graciano and Lorenzo also. So fare you well मतलब goodbye Antonio, we leave you now with better company। क्या एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है एग्जाम में, who enters the scene now, या फिर who does better company refer to। so better company यहाँ पे बसानियो, लोरेंजो एंड ग्राशियानो है। बसानियो का नाम पहले आना चाहिए। सैलरीनो उसको बोलता है, आई वुड हैव स्टेड अप, देख मेरे को तो जाने की जल्दी नहीं है, आई वुड हैव स्टेड टिल यू वर मैरी, मैं तो तब तक रुकता जब तक तू स्माइल नहीं कर देता। इफ वर्दियर फ्रेंड्स हैड नॉट इंटरप्टेड मी, इफ वर्दियर फ्रेंड्स हैड नॉट इंटरप्टेड मी, वर्दियर फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे कौन हुआ वापस से, अगेन क्वेश्चन आ सकता है एग्जाम में। सो वर्दियर फ्रेंड्स here are Bassanio, Lorenzo and Graciano. So he says, I would have stayed and made you merry if worthier friends had not prevented me। और एंटोनियो उसको वापस से अच्छा लगाने के लिए डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर देता है, Your worth is very dear in my regard। Your worth मतलब your importance, तू मेरे लिए उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जितना कि ये लोग हैं, बट मेरे को लगता है तेरे को तेरा कुछ काम याद आ गया। बोलता है मुझे लगता है तुझे कुछ अपना काम याद आ गया, इसलिए you want to go from here and you're just using Bassanio as an excuse। So your worth is very dear in my regard मतलब you're equally important to me। I take it मतलब I'm guessing your own business calls upon you। own business मतलब you have some work of your own and you embrace the occasion to depart and you are just taking this opportunity, you embrace the occasion मतलब you are taking this opportunity to leave, to depart as in to leave। उतने में ये लोग और पास आ गए, बसानियो, लोरेंजो एंड ग्राशियानो। अभी they are just exchanging greetings। सैलरीनो बोलता है good morrow good lord, वो बोलता है good morning buddy, बोलता है dude morning to you also। अरे क्या हालचाल भाई, कब मिलना है, बोलना है यार, चिल कब करेंगे लाइफ में। बोलता है अरे तू बोलना, तू बोल कब मिलना है। बोलता है नहीं तू बोल तू जब बोलेगा वी आर रेडी। बोलता है हाँ ठीक है ना, एक डेट डिसाइड करता है, मैं घर जाके तेरे को व्हाट्सएप करता हूँ मैं स्केड्यूल देख के। बोलता है हाँ डेफिनेटली, तू बस बोल मैं वहां पहुंच जाएगा। ऐसे वो लोग फेक प्लेजेंट्रीज एक्सचेंज करते हैं एंड दे बोथ डिपार्ट। कौन दो, सैलरीनो एंड सेलेनियो। नाउ लोरेंजो इज आल्सो समझदार दोस्त। ओके, ही नोज दैट Bassanio wants to discuss something important with Antonio, so they had only accompanied Bassanio until here। So he says, my lord Bassanio मतलब दोस्त, now that you found Antonio, we two as in Graciano and I will leave you alone। So we too will leave you alone, but I request you, keep in mind where we are meeting for dinner, as in decide where we are meeting for dinner। ये लोग है ना सब लोग छपरी लोग है। ओके, ये लोग रात को चिल करते हैं, दिन भर कुछ काम धंधा नहीं करते, बस ऐसे ही उनका लाइफ ही है चिलिंग। सो दे आर लाइक, बट एट डिनर टाइम आई प्रे यू, एट डिनर टाइम आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, हैव इन माइंड मतलब डिसाइड वेयर वी आर मीटिंग। तो प्लीज लेट मी नो कि आप लोग कहाँ मिल रहा है रात को, एंड आई विल सी यू देयर, ऑलराइट, सो बाय। ऐसे करके वो गुड बाय बोलता है और बसानी बोलता है, आई विल नॉट फेल यू, आई वोंट डिसअपॉइंट यू। तो लोरेंजो घूम के चलने लगा, बट उसके साथ कौन होना चाहिए था, ग्राशियानो इज अ कॉमिक रिलीफ इन दिस प्ले। ओके, वो एक मुंहफट इंसान है, उसके मन में जो चीज आती है वो बोल देता है। राइट नाउ आल्सो लोरेंजो हैज स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग, बट ही टर्न्स अराउंड, सीज ग्राशियानो है नहीं कहीं। ग्राशियानो हैज गॉन अप टू एंटोनियो एंड सेड, अरे एंटोनियो, you don't look well, you look sad, you look not well Senor Antonio। So Graciano was actually supposed to have left, but unnecessary conversations में वो घुसता है। The good thing though is, so whatever Graciano says is worth thinking about, it's deeply philosophical but presented in a comic way। So he goes up to Antonio and is like, Antonio, you look not well Senor is sir, is something bothering you, you have too much respect upon the world, you know। वो Antonio को ज्ञान दे रहा है, बोला कि यार मेरे को लगता है you worry too much about the world, you have too much respect upon the world मतलब you worry way too much about the world मतलब about other people। They lose it that do buy it with much care। Important line, they lose it, they मतलब people in general lose it over here is their peace of mind। They lose it that do buy it with much care मतलब people often lose their peace of mind if they worry too much about other things। They lose it that do buy it मतलब worry too much about others। Believe me, you've marvelously changed। Last time जब मैं आपको देखा था आप दुखी थे, अब आप कुछ ज्यादा ही दुखी लग रहे हो। So believe me, you marvelously changed। And Antonio बोलता है, I hold the world as it is, a stage metaphor। वो बोलता है, the world is a stage my friend, and everyone has a part and mine is a sad one। I'm just playing my role in this life, in this world which is a stage। I'm playing my part is that of a sad one। Graciano's dialogue super duper important। The last dialogue for today, आज सिर्फ इतना ही dialogue करेंगे, पर वो डायलॉग इतना काफी लंबा है, इट्स अ मोनोलॉग। वो पूरा ग्राशियानो का 2 साइड का डायलॉग है। ओके, रेडी? ग्राशियानो सेज, लेट मी प्ले द फूल। इफ यू वांट टू प्ले द पार्ट ऑफ अ सैड पर्सन, do so by all means, but let me play the role of a fool। In Merchant of Venice, Jabi, the word fool comes in, it's not foolish। Fool over here is an entertainer, a stand-up comic। So he says, let me play the role of a fool। With mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come। With mirth, matlab with joy, and laughter, happiness। With happiness and joy, let old wrinkles come। Matlab, let me grow old with mirth and laughter। I would rather, as in I prefer that my liver heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans। Let's understand this। In Elizabethan days, they used to believe that that the liver is the seat of all your emotions. Okay, liver, the organ, is the base of all your emotions. Don't come from your heart, your emotions come from your liver. ऐसा वो लोग मानते हैं. So this is just a belief. He says, I would prefer that my liver heats with wine, as in I am a happy personality. I drink, I'm merry, I'm enjoying life. Normally अगर teachers ये lecture live सिखा रहे होते तो नीचे disclaimer होता, alcohol consumption is injurious to health. Okay, so no, in no way is anybody promoting alcohol over here. It's just their culture back then. So based on your alcoholic consumption, there are 4 types of personalities. In Elizabethan days, they used to believe. One would be melancholic, like Antonio, he's sad. One would be sanguine, which is pleasant. Then there would be choleric, which is angry. The fourth would be phlegmatic, which is balanced. So here we've got Graciano, who says, I'd rather be a sanguine personality who would drink and be merry rather than have my heart grow cold. Cold as in I don't want to become this person who's growing old, complaining about life all the time, irritated all the time. I don't want to become that. So I don't want my heart to become colder, as in die, with mortifying groans. Mortifying is painful. Groans is complaints. So I don't want to keep complaining all the time. I don't want to be in pain all the time. I prefer growing old in a cheerful manner. I want to become a person who's always happy-go-lucky, who's enjoying life. So let me play the fool. Let me play the comic. Let me play the entertainer. Let old wrinkles come with mirth and laughter. Let my liver heat with wine, than my heart become cold with mortifying groans. And why? Why should a person like me, why should a man whose blood is warm within, a warm-blooded person, sit like his grandsire's grandfather? In Elizabethan days, these people were very well behaved. They'd be like, hi, hello, how are you? Is everything okay with you? And you know how we are? We are like, hey, kaisa? All right. For you to understand Graciano's personality, you just have to imagine a bunch of Gujaratis abroad. I'm a Gujarati, but I know how things are. Okay. So when we go abroad, all these Europeans talk softly. They're very elite, they're very classy. In the plane also, they're all very quiet. And then Gujaratis, when they're on the plane, एक आगे बैठा होगा, एक पीछे बैठा होगा, ए ठेपला पास कर, ए खाकरा लाओ रे, अरे केम छे चल अंताक्षरी रमिया अय्याती रमसो हालो रे हालो, and they'll start off. Okay, that's how these people are. That's how Graciano is. He says, why should a person like me whose blood is warm within be like my grandfather's statue? Be like my grandsire's statue. Grandsire is grandfather. Why should I act like my grandfather's statue cut in alabaster? Alabaster is a stone. So bottom line, why should a person like me who's active be so well behaved and sit motionless like my grandfather's statue in white stone? Why should a person sleep when he wakes? Which means, why should I be passive when I'm so active? Okay, so why should I be well behaved and motionless and keep quiet all the time when I'm actually an active person? And why should I creep into jaundice by being peevish? Once again, an Elizabethan belief. They used to think that jaundice is a disease caused when you are bitter all the time, when you're irritable all the time, when you get irritated all the time, when you're angry all the time. So he says, I don't want to get jaundice by being peevish. Peevish is short-tempered. I'll tell you what, Antonio. So this was one part of his dialogue. Okay, the entire dialogue can be divided in 3 parts. So the first part question would be, what does Graciano desire? When Antonio says he wants to play the part of a sad person, what does Graciano desire? So Graciano desires to play the part of a fool. He desires to have old wrinkles come with mirth and joy. He wants his liver to heat with wine and heart grow cold with mortifying groans. He doesn't want to be like his grandsire's statue cut in alabaster. He doesn't want to sleep when he's awake. And he doesn't want to get jaundice by being peevish. So these are the 6 things he desires. Now, next part of the dialogue. He gives advice to Antonio. He says, let me tell you something, Antonio. And it's an advice, but with a taunt. Okay, he's taunting Antonio. He says, I know people like you, Antonio, who put on this serious expression. They put on this face of seriousness and they do it because they are trying to look intelligent. हम काफी बार जब parties में जाते हैं, suddenly someone enters a party and this person has got the snooty expression, very quiet, okay, he's very ऐसे stern looking, okay, and उसको देख के लगता है कि यार कुछ तो बात है बंदे में, ज्यादा बात नहीं कर रहा है लोगों के साथ, कुछ important personality लग रहा है, इसको देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ज्ञानी इंसान होगा. And that's what Graciano is actually taunting Antonio, and he's saying you are like those people who look quiet, who don't speak much, but that's only because you're trying to fool everyone. Because you're worried that if you actually open your mouth to speak, people will realize you're such an idiot. So if you're wondering, sir, how dare he talk like that to Antonio? That's Graciano. He is like that. He talks like that to everyone. Okay, so he has a right to say things like that. I'll tell you what, Antonio, I love you. And it's my love that speaks. And it's my love that's giving you this advice. There are a sort of men, many would not do as but there are sort of people. Sort of men, there are some people. There's a type of people whose visages do cream and mantle like a standing pond. Alright, so let's understand understand this line. बोलता है there are some people whose visages are expressions, whose expressions are so still, whose expressions don't change. In English there's a phrase called poker face. Poker face is stone faced expression. Like कुछ भी हो जाए वो लोग ना हंसते हैं ना रोते हैं, कोई चेंज ही नहीं है एक्सप्रेशन में, like एकदम ऐसे. और आज मेरा बर्थडे है, आज मेरे रिजल्ट्स आए, मेरे को 99% आया. These are those people. There are sort of men whose visages, whose expressions do cream and mantle. Do cream and mantle मतलब are as still as cream, like a layer of cream on a glass of milk. जब एक glass of milk को ऐसे ही रख देंगे तो एक layer of मलाई जम जाती है, वैसे उनके expressions हैं, okay, like a layer of cream or a layer of mantle. Mantle is a green weed that forms over a standing pond. अगर एक pond में water को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे बहुत दिनों तक तो एक layer of green algae जम जाता है उसके ऊपर. So that's mantle. वो mantle and cream के साथ उसके expressions को compare किया जा रहा है. So there are sort of men, there are some people whose expressions are as still as a layer of cream on a glass of milk or a layer of mantle on a standing pond. इसका क्या वो आगे अभी तक line complete नहीं है, ये line incomplete है. Okay, so let's finish the line.
So these people with visages like cream and mantle do a willful stillness entertain. Do a willful stillness entertain. Entertain मतलब put on. Willful मतलब deliberate. Stillness मतलब silence. So if I rearrange the words, they put on a deliberate silence. But they are silent, but not by birth. They are silent deliberately. Deliberately मतलब जानबूझ के. जानबूझ के these people pretend to be silent. With a purpose. Purpose मतलब intention. To be dressed in an opinion. To be dressed in an opinion. And opinion के बाद line incomplete है. Okay, but opinion पे यहाँ एक circle कर दो. Question mark डाल दो. Opinion of what? What opinion do they want to be dressed in? Dressed in मतलब addressed in. So they want people to have an opinion about them. Opinion of wisdom, gravity and profound conceit. So they want others to assume that they are people who are extremely wise, wisdom, gravity, seriousness, grave and profound conceit, pride. Okay, so these are people who are dignified, who are serious and who are extremely wise. So they deliberately put on silence so that others get this impression about them. Okay, so in order to fool others, as who should say, I am Sir Oracle. So it's as if they are saying that I am like Sir Oracle. Now Oracle का concept यहाँ पे समझ लो. Oracles were prophets. Whenever they speak, they can predict what's going to happen. So people used to always be silent when the oracles would speak because they would possibly talk about something that can happen. Okay, like Nostradamus predicted 9/11. So the oracle here is the Greek oracle, okay, the voice of gods. So these people who put on a silence here, remember Graciano is taunting Antonio. He's saying कि मैं कुछ लोगों को जानता हूँ जो ऐसे हैं, but secretly he's trying to imply that Antonio ये कर रहा है. Okay, so these people put on a deliberate silence in order to look smart, as if they are the oracle. And when they open their lips, matlab open. When I open my lips, when they open their lips, let no dog bark. Okay, let no dog bark matlab nobody should speak. Everyone should be silent when I speak. That's the image that they want to give out. So Graciano says, oh my dear Antonio, I do know of these. matlab I do know such people. मुझे ऐसे लोग पता है. तू है इनमें से एक. ऐसा वो बोलता नहीं है, but he's saying मुझे कुछ ऐसे लोग पता है who are therefore reputed wise, considered wise only for being silent. They are therefore reputed wise for saying nothing, only as long as they are quiet. When I'm sure, I'm very sure, but I'm extremely sure if they should speak, if they do end up speaking, they will damn the ears that call their brothers fools. Now here's something you need to understand. Elizabethan days में एक दूसरे को गाली देना was a sin. Like हम लोग ऐसे ही मस्ती में कुछ भी बुला देते हैं ना. मैं ऑनलाइन अभी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ because शायद पेरेंट्स भी ये देख रहे हैं. But Elizabethan times में किसी को fool बुलाना, calling someone a fool is also a sin. Now when you are committing a sin, you'll go to hell for it. Which in simpler words, you'll be damned for it. So here, these people who put on a silence in order to look wise, अगर वो लोग ने मुंह खोला तो जो ears है जो उनको सुन रहे हैं. Now when I say ears, it's a metonymy. I'm obviously talking about the person. Ears over here are the listeners. The listener would listen to them and realize कि ये तो बड़ा बेवकूफ है. And if I call him a बेवकूफ, क्या बेवकूफ इंसान है तू? Now that बेवकूफ is a sin. So for calling him a बेवकूफ, I'll go to hell. So they will damn the ears. They will damn those people. So because of them, those people who are listening to them will end up going to hell, will be damned, because they will call him as in the person who is speaking, a fool. So they will damn the ears as in the people who call their brothers all brothers, all of us are brothers. Okay, so brothers, fool. Did you understand this? ग्रैशियानो बोल रहा है, मैं कुछ ऐसे लोगों को जानता हूं जो लोग चुप रहते हैं जानबूझ के ताकि वो लोग वाइस दिखे, बट अगर वो लोग मुंह खोलते हैं तो लोगों को सामने पता चलेगा कि ये लोग बड़े बेवकूफ है, पर अगर तूने सामने वाले को बेवकूफ बुलाया तो उनके वजह से तू हेल में जाएगा. So I do know of such people, Antonio. ऐसा ग्रैशियानो एंटोनियो को बोल रहा है. I'll tell thee more another time. You know, और बातचीत करेंगे किसी और वक्त. आज time थोड़ा, I'm running out of time, I have to leave. So I'll tell you more about this some other time. But for now, last advice for you. The third part of the dialogue, okay? Third part, what's the final advice that Graciano gives Antonio before parting? So he says, fish not. Do not try and gain. Do not try to fish. It's a metaphor. Fishing is a metaphor over here. When you're fishing, you're trying to gain something. So he says, do not try and gain popularity from people. But he doesn't use the word popularity. He says gudgeon. Do not fish for cheap gudgeon. Gudgeon is a type of fish, cheap fish, okay? So he says, do not try and fish for the fool's gudgeon using your melancholy as a bait. Do not use your sadness. Do not use your melancholy as a bait. Bait is something that you use to catch the fish. So do not use your melancholy as a bait in order to fish for this fool gudgeon. Fool gudgeon मतलब cheap fish. वो your popularity. Do not try and gain attention from people. कि अरे Antonio sad है, let's try and figure out Antonio sad क्यों है. अरे देखना यार Antonio sad है. So inadvertently everyone's giving him attention and Graciano उसको accuse कर रहा है कि तू ये जानबूझ के चुप है, तू जानबूझ के sad act कर रहा है ताकि तेरे को लोगों का attention मिले, तो मत कर ये हरकत. ये मेरी advice है. To clear out, Antonio ऐसा जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहा है. Okay, Antonio is not doing this in order to gain sympathy or in order to victimize himself. Okay, वो बस है ही ऐसा. But Graciano उसको बोलता है कि you are trying to do this in order to shop, in order to fish for popularity, in order to fish for people's attention. So do not fish using melancholy as your bait. Fool's gudgeon over here, cheap fish, but actually metaphorically popularity. This opinion, which opinion? The opinion जो already पहले तुमने mark किया था, the opinion of wisdom, profound conceit and gravity. So do not try and gain this opinion. Do not try and gain this opinion as well as popularity using your sadness as a bait. So the dialogue's almost ended. The last two lines are, come good Lorenzo, fare ye all a while. Fare ye all a while matlab, I'll see you guys later. I'll end my exhortation. Exhortation is advice. I'll end my advice. I'll end the speech after dinner. इतना बोल के Graciano is about to leave. अभी तक निकला नहीं है. Okay? But today we'll do only until here. अगर मैं अपने आप को सुनता हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है मैं काफी क्लियर हूँ. But कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो please comment, leave comments behind, leave your feedback behind so I can actually go ahead and I can explain it better. Obviously, like I say every time, those who are meeting me over Zoom next time can always gather their doubts and ask me on Zoom. If you have any doubts, you can leave your doubts in the comments below. If you like the video, please do share it with people. If you like it, if you want to say something nice about me, just say it. It feels good. We could all do with some nice comments right now. It'll make me feel good. All right. And if you've not already subscribed, subscribe to this channel. If you're already my student, then better start studying, because next time I see you, I'll be asking you questions if you don't ask me doubts. All right. So, and stay safe guys, alright, it's just a bad time everywhere. So I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, take care, bye.